Hi guys, hope you're doing well, and today's video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to connect Godaddy domain to the Google Workspace. So this is a very important video, and you have to watch this video completely, because if you skip any step, so it will create a mess. So it's very crucial video. Let's start. So first of all, I have a new domain at Godaddy. Let me show you. This one is the new domain that I have purchased recently, and I need to connect this domain to the Google Workspace. So I have logged in to my Google account, and just I need to click onto the admin. Once you click onto the admin, then scroll down it, then we have to click onto the accounts, then inside the accounts we have our domains. Open it, and then we have to click onto the manage domains. Once you click onto the manage domains, so you can see that one domain is already tagged with the Google account, and now we need to attach one more domain, and the domain is available onto the Godaddy. So what we will do, that we have to click onto this domain, then we have to click, then we have to copy this domain, then we have to come here, then add domain, then we have to enter a domain name, paste it, and we will keep this domain as a secondary domain. Select a domain type, because we have already a primary domain which is paragonri.eu, so we will keep this domain as a secondary domain. And then we have to click onto the add domain and start verification. Then we have to get started. We have to give the verification means we are giving the evidence that this domain is under our custody. Get started. Sign in with the Godaddy. This one is the domain. Then because I have already signed in into the Godaddy account, so it says that click connect to the authorized Google to enable the services domain verification. Gmail setup for pggrecruitment.org. So we will click onto the connect. Once we click onto the connect, it will take little time. It will take around 1 to 2 minutes. During this, it is Google is basically putting their DNS records inside the Godaddy domain, and Google is basically updating the domain of Godaddy so that it can be attached through the Google Workspace. Activate Gmail. Once we activated Gmail, all the Google Workspace will update the DNS of Godaddy of the respective domain. So we will click activate Gmail. Set up to send and receive emails. All records will be configured in the Godaddy in the respective domain. Once we click continue, so it will take a little time. Proceed with the activation. Activate Gmail for everyone on pggrecruitment.org. We will proceed. Once again we have to click on that, and finally they are putting their DNS records into the Godaddy respective domain, which is the pggrecruitment.eu. Domain verification has been completed and DNS records of Godaddy of the respective domain has also been updated. Wait for a second. You can see that pggrecruitment.org secondary domain verified, Gmail activated. Now we can create emails and whatever we want we can do that. All the DNS records of Google Workspace has been successfully updated onto the Godaddy, onto the respective domain, and all is good. Means a record, MX, SPF, TMAR, TKIM automatically configured by the Godaddy on our Gmail on our Godaddy of the respective domain. So all is ready. Now we can create the email if we want. Thank you so much for watching this video. In the next video we will talk about that how we can create the email over the Google Workspace, and we will show you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Bye bye.